The formation of ionic bond is possible only when there is a large difference in the electron negativities of combining atoms. What is the large electron negativity differences? If it metal is highly electropositive and non-metal is highly electronegative. Metal having one free electron donation, metals having the tendency to donate electrons, and the non-metals having the tendency to accept the electrons. So this type of bonding is called as ionic bond. No ionic bonding is possible when atoms of similar electronegativities suppose the atoms of similar electronegativities combining together. At that stage, it is very difficult to say, because both atoms need same amount of electrons to attain the stable noble gas configurations. Let us take chlorine and chlorine. Chlorine atomic number 17. Each chlorine needs one electron to attain the stable noble gas configuration. So they mutually share the electron to attain the stability. Therefore, the electron transfer theory could not explain the bonding in molecules such as hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, ammonia, etc. In order to explain bonding in such molecules, G. N. Lewis, a scientist, suggests a different type of bonding known as covalent bonding. Lewis suggested that two atoms having similar or almost similar electronegativities can achieve stable valence shell configuration. 2 or 8 electrons have in the outermost shell by sharing the electrons between them. A bond formed by the mutual sharing of electron is called covalent bond. During the formation of covalent bond equally to both atoms and complete their valence shell, the shared electrons can be regarded common to both atoms. A shared pair of electron is represented by a dash and is responsible for the bonding of atoms together. This shared pair of electron, what is known as covalent bond or electron pair bond. Thus, covalent bond may be defined as the attractive force which comes into existence to the mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms of similar electronegativity or having small difference in their electronegativity are called covalent bond.